I'll show you how to remove the background in InShot on your phone, step by step, ensuring clarity and ease, as you can see here, carefully. First, we add your video or photo, as you can see here, carefully and clearly. This is where you'll carefully remove that background, as shown. Once you've added your photo or video in InShot, now let's move to the next step carefully. You should tap it on the timeline precisely and carefully, as shown. Next, we carefully look for the section here that allows you to remove, as you can see here, exactly. After tapping that section, carefully search for the chroma key option, as you can see here, to proceed with removing the background. We press the chroma key button. Use the slider to find the object you want to remove. As you can see here, carefully proceed. For example, I want to remove the red outline around the subscribe button, as you can see here, carefully adjusting the slider. For instance, I want to remove this white background, as you can see here. You can do it this way to ensure everything looks very beautiful and aesthetically pleasing, as you can see here, carefully adjusting the details. There you go, just like that. Now the background is removed, and it looks perfect, as you can see. Thank you all for watching. Good luck, and goodbye to everyone now.